Islam, established by the Prophet Muhammad in the 7th century in Mecca, has experienced rapid growth to become the fastest-growing religion worldwide, boasting over 1.8 billion adherents. This monotheistic belief system emphasizes the oneness of God, known as Allah, and the prophethood of Muhammad. Muslims follow the 5 pillars of Islam, which include faith, prayer, charity, fasting, and pilgrimage. The influence of Islam on global history and culture is profound, with significant contributions in fields such as science, art, architecture, and philosophy. Despite widespread misunderstandings and stereotypes, Islam is a diverse faith encompassing followers from all corners of the world. With a following of over 1.8 billion people, Islam is the world's fastest-growing religion and the second largest behind Christianity. Central to Islam is the belief that the Quran is the literal word of God, revealed to the Prophet Muhammad. Muslims adhere to 5 daily prayers facing Mecca, observe fasting during Ramadan, give to charity, and undertake the pilgrimage to Mecca, known as Hajj. Despite misconceptions, Islam promotes peace, tolerance, and social justice. Its history is marked by significant scientific, artistic, and cultural accomplishments. However, Islamophobia is a growing concern, underscoring the importance of promoting education and dialogue to foster understanding and harmony among individuals of diverse faiths.